Hello. This is Toya Tingles back with another video. So today I will be using lotion and oil sounds. Lotion and oil sounds. So I hope you enjoy. Okay, let's start. So today I'm just gonna put some lotion on my hands and some oil on your hair. And I might even do a back massage for you. Back massage. Okay, so I'm gonna start with the lotion. Just a little bit here. A little fell on the carpet, but it's okay. I don't know if you can hear the actual lotion sound. I'm trying. Okay. Okay, now that that's on, I'm going to spray your hair with a little bit of water. I kind of damaged my phone when I sprayed water on it before, so I won't be spraying water. You'll just hear the sound of water. How's that sound? Spray. I can't damage my phone, I'm sorry. It's already damaged. I'm going to have to get a new one because of the sound. But it's okay. The sound isn't as sharp. I don't like that. I don't have a camera yet, so this is all I have is my phone. Spray. Good. Okay. Gonna rub that in really nicely to saturate your strands. Okay. Alright. So now let's spray a little bit of oil. As long as it don't hit my phone. Let's see. Good. And a little bit of oil, a little bit of olive oil. Can you hear the oil? I hope so. Massaging your hair. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed. Oh, I'll give you a little massage. Let me give you a little massage too. Definitely, definitely, definitely. 1 minute. Okay, just give you a little massage. Little massage. Good. Hope you relax. Hope you relax. It's been a long day, so just want to help you relax. You said you want your back cracked. You want to get an deep tissue massage? Okay. Sounds good. Sounds good. Let's see. Okay. Really get in there. Is that good? Okay. Yeah. We all need a deep tissue massage sometimes. For sure. I hope you can't hear this dog barking outside. It's so annoying. Is that relaxing? Good. Well, I hope you enjoyed. And you can fall asleep now. And I will wake you up in a few hours. Okay, I will see you later.